Presidential spokesman Bayo Onanuga says that his principal, President Bola Tinubu, is not unfeeling as painted by some persons on social media. Onanuga, who spoke on Channels Television Sunday Politics, said his principal is not tpain, as mischievously nicknamed on social media. Onanuga said Tinubu has not come to inflict pain on Nigerians, but to repair the economy. The president is aware that citizens are going through some difficulties, but said Tinubu is not aware that some persons have labeled him tpain on social media, as the president does not read what is on the social media. Onanuga said some people have also responded and called the president a different name. So, as far as I'm concerned, it is a non-issue. While Nigerians are grappling with the weight of unprecedented food inflation and energy prices which have quadrupled in the last year, many people have blamed the policies of petrol subsidy removal and unification of forex rate for the high living cost due to policies and reforms of the current administration. Onanuga emphasized that despite galloping inflation, we are experiencing economic growth. Despite inflation, revenue have increased. He said the president feels the pain of Nigerians and has assured them that better days are nearer than before. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates.